Finally, this is absolutely it. The last battle. The opponent is Lance. The curtains have risen for this fateful encounter. Switching Pokemon. That Pokemon must not have been the right choice. Oh, it's Dragonite! Ah, it raised its attack power. How will this newly switched out Pokemon fare? What'll it do? Oh, that's a miss. There it is! Hyper Beam! Oh, this is it! There's a big HP difference between the two combatants. What's next? A powerful blow. Whoa! KO'd by one hit! That KO will bring out a new Pokemon. Oh, it's Gyarados! Will this battler live up to expectations? One Pokemon is still capable of going on, but the other one looks tired. There's the attack. Hit! That inflicted some damage. Ride that surf! Yes, it's a hit! Down it goes! The next Pokemon needs to be prepared. Oh, it's Lantern! Two Pokemon remain on each side. A sharp attack! No, that didn't connect. Shot! Block! Bullseye! Oh, and down it goes! There's only one Pokemon left to come out. The Pokemon appears with a cry. This is the last Pokemon. The number of remaining Pokemon is 2-1. There's the shot! Bam! That worked perfectly! There it goes! Oh, that's a miss. The white-hot battle continues. Hydro Pump! Whoops, that missed. A furious attack! That's it! It's a fierce battle. Is this decided? Oh, that missed too. Vicious attack. Hit. That inflicted some damage. A hot battle is unfolding. What